We begin with a very simple breath, this harmonic breath. Now it is to be breathed at least 4 times during the day, preferably in the morning on arising, at high noon, at dusk, and before retiring. But it may be breathed at any time. It is breathed seated or standing, at any time, anywhere. Now, in our personal classes, we are taught to use the right hand only in breathing this breath. We make sure that we're sitting erect, feet flat on the floor, the heels touching. Then, without any other movement, we raise the right hand, closing the right nostril with the thumb. We breathe in through the left nostril, or the negative nostril, to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We then close the left nostril with the forefinger and hold the breath to the count of 16, keeping both nostrils closed. We release the thumb from the right nostril and exhale slowly and steadily to the count of 8. Now that should be clear. We then inhale through the right, or the positive nostril, to the count of 4, meaning to say that the left nostril is closed. Then, having breathed into the count of 4, we close over both nostrils and hold the breath again to the count of 16. We then release the forefinger from the left nostril, exhaling slowly to the count of 8 through the right nostril. Now this then is one complete harmonic breath. The right thumb closes the right nostril. Then we inhale through the left nostril. We breathe in to the count of 4, 3, 4. Now we close the left nostril with the forefinger. We hold the breath to the count of 16, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we inhale through the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that seemed to me to be very much better. Now, my beloved, you must be very patient with yourself in that breath. It is not as easy as it seems, because you have to get used to the abdominal control in the exhalation. And so there is your harmonic breath.